People, wagwan, enough love and enough respect. Before we go down into the details of this video, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. So people, Queenie come out and she say a bag of things on her life, and one specific thing she did was blame Uno people out there for mashing up our relationship. She said Uno cause our relationship to fail, and I just really don't get how that work. Because basically she's saying that Uno instill things in a Dewey mind, causing him to be reacting the way he is. Now Queenie just look for something to justify Dewey action them instead of just leaving, because this just toxic as hell. She keep on blame everybody for Dewey's action. It's just so ridiculous that she think he is going to change when he will never change. The man give her all of the red flag them hint, and he's not leaving. Him portray all of the action them. All of the actions, and she's still not going to leave. She just need to have like a self-respect. Cause that's all me can say. For a big woman, she need like a self-respect. Stop coming on the media and ball out your head and embarrass yourself. It don't look good. Yes, maybe she love him, but respect yourself a little. Respect yourself. The amount of things him do, he is always at fault. When you come and talk about all the things them we do for you, and as a man, Dewey can't come out back and say nothing, or is Dewey just a boy? Lady, you seriously need to just take some time and work by yourself, because the balling, it's not going to work. If him did want to come back, he would have come back already. And who is to tell? Probably when he run out of money, we come running back to you. Or when he needs something, he come running back to you. And guess what? You got open your arms, them wide open, and take him back. And then I got disrespect you again. People, just watch this video. It's just a clip from the live that she did earlier. And feel free to leave a comment down below and tell me on the thoughts about this.
I believe it. I have enough on a stinking dirty blood clot. Me that winner dog shit pit, shit towel, shit plate blood clot class. On a low blood clot, me no want to hear nothing from none of the stinking bomber hole. On a evil iniquity worker, I don't know what a blood clot over upon me on a mouth, on a dirty mouth, on a stinking mouth, on a filthy mouth. I rebuke you in the mighty name of Jesus. Father God, cover me from all of these evil, bad-minded, covetous people. On a bad mind, on a wicked, on a envious, low blood clot. Me no want none to tell me blood clot. Nothing. I want to fuck up my married life. This time no blood clot set. Last year, you know. Last year. When I see them, I say, somebody sure. Your cake and give. Dog. I say, not a body not throw no blood clot cake go give a dog. But I said, this here, something not right. Something not right. I tell you no dirty blood. I don't know chat to me, come and I want to know where I'm afraid I don't know go. You think God asleep, Papa Wall? When I go and go look on some blood clot money and go do nobody and leave blood clot me. No, chat to me. Me no want do it chat to me. Me no want none of blood clot. You think God asleep anybody? And that's the conclusion we come to. I don't fucking want to do it either. I rather stay by myself and be lonely. But I know something not right. Something can't. The man, nothing at all. Me and do it nice shop. I say, do you like that? The man just bite off my head. The man aggressive towards me for nothing, and do it is a nice soul person. He's ignorant, you know. Don't get me wrong. I'm ignorant when ignorance, but do we have principle? I remember when me and him, when me sit and laugh yesterday, and I say, Bumble wall. That you sit down and laugh for people life mash up. Is that really nice, really, when you come to think of it? What benefit do you get? You understand me? You sit down Your boots do if you sell the tire them. Your boots do if you sell the TV. Same thing with the ring, plus whatever else Dewey sell. Dewey don't even drink. Dewey most effect is on for smoke. And when Dewey bill one spliff, Dewey have the whole spliff lamb. And me always a suck out Dewey spliff them. Dewey maintenance no high. Dewey and a boy we have certain addiction. Dewey just a humble bumper clock man as you see him there. So with all of this, it just not adds up to me. So make me fool. Me now go back and me say, what? But this has nothing to do with me. Dewey never had to work for me. Dewey's working for his son. You know, I feel so good. When Dewey are working money, I say yes, Dewey and him say, crazy, me just send up the money to say, you know. And for see my husband get up and left that job. Me and him ups and down and make money. Him not care about the money when me I make. That make blood clot sense to no. I eat that. Me could have £1 million put on yourself about house. Do we not have no needs to find for don't go blood clot thing do one. Crazy me can't buy one McDonald's. Really? I mean you make them. Me no idiot. None of blood clot when you can't come. Don't make me live in a denial for my marriage. On a wicked and evil and bad mind. You understand? But people is vicious. People will do your things, but guess what? My God is real. We can be wrong, but me not wrong. Me not idiot. Do we boss when him get him like a job with him like a ID pan it? As him get him money, him send it back his head. My husband reads the Bible because I said, do we make sure you save £100 out of your pay every month, you know? When the woman said to me, said, do it. All right, you left your job, nothing wrong with it. Move on a blood clot. The boy tied, I don't have him from 7 to 8. How was him working on? 7 to 8. 7 to 9. One night time, at 10 o'clock. Darling, bring me a piece of napkin, please. Sorry. One at a time. 2 nights, at 10 o'clock, do we come off at work. Him start 7 every morning. You know, you stood up on the live with me and him. I may tell you that brother takes so much joy and pride. I admire my husband and feel good. At that. So when the girl, oh, gangster, you're threatened by me. No, I'm not fucking threatened by you, baby. I'm threatened by my husband. It's only unfortunately you come adjourn the situation. But you was never the issue. And you will never be the issue. And I will never be threatened by you. Me know your party I come up and make sure tell us a girl me I get a little hype come. Me know you. Me now wait troops say, oh, our party I come and stand up but I don't give a fuck if 1 million blood clot people come at your party. Me I let out my emotion. So now with all of this now I see my husband. You don't care about your bleaching cream. You not care about yourself. Me and do we got Jamaica, me have the Ethan Hers, Ralph Lawrence them. Ethan Hers, me have Ralph Lawrence, him have Tommy, Ethan Hers. Me got Jamaica, do we just crazy me can't bother put on the clothes them. Something alright with you. I know me a problem. You hear that? Your bleaching cream. Remember your bleaching, I'm in a bleaching. My husband bleach, me in a bleach. If you see you make your little money and buy your little car, come to England, that's a good boss. So why not son, you know want nothing, you don't care about nothing, you just sit down. That don't make no blood clot sense to me. And I like say you take some of my one and take something from where me and you make together. Me and you make a lot do with me always tell you say you're lucky. You coming in my life and I get more prosperous. And I like you say you take one percentage out as a husband. And that hurt me, you know. You don't take something out tight and say, right, I'm going to make myself be a man. You just go and be one cuff, sir. Eh?
People, Derrick even come out with a message for Queenie. He said, "I said leave Queenie alone." So people, I'm gonna listen to the message with Derrick have to say.
Love young boy. You don't love young boy, but she love young boy. So only leave the woman and a young boy. When she scream when she want to scream. Leave her when she talk anything when she want to talk about. I feel a big mouth, she talk anything out her mouth. Yes. So please, people on the social media, don't leave Queen and a young boy, please. Please, 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 this morning, I want to leave the lady with a young boy. I want to storm with the woman and a man. Leave her. If you don't see the man, a war with her, and she's going to see she split on the man, don't leave it alone. Don't left her alone. Leave her alone. Leave Queenie with her young boy. Leave Queenie with her young boy. She don't want an old man. She want a young boy. She want, when I say she want a young boy, don't leave the woman alone. Leave her alone. She want young blood. So you don't want a young blood, she want a young blood. Not time. Yeah? So leave the lady alone. Leave the lady alone. Leave her alone. Leave Queenie alone. Queenie! Say with the young boy. Now follow nobody a Queenie. You love your young boy a Queenie. Nobody with them a Queenie. Me a good friend Queenie. Now look on him a Queenie. Don't look on him Queenie. I go for your young boy Queenie. So them can't talk to no young boy Queenie. And you have the plum for them. Yeah. Yes, Queenie. And look on them Queen of the ghetto.